Lady Trans Lovies, I am your girl Lady, bringing you the hottest news. Ezingena kamuva zithi Uzalo actor Masoja Msiza allegedly stole 18,000 rands. Popular Uzalo artist Masoja Msiza, who acts as hard gangster Nkunzi in the TV show that plays on SABC1, has found himself in real life bad publicity after allegedly conning promoters of 18,000 rands. Harare, the music website, has learned that Masoja, together with two other artists, were approached by event organizers Isona Masele and Zukisa Robiane. According to the deposit slip which Harare has seen, Masoja was charged 20,000 as an appearance fee at the event. The event was being held in Mtantane Popula's Tavern, Eslageni. Of the 20,000 rands, record showed that 18,000 rand was paid into Masoja's FNB account, and the balance of 2,000 rands was to be paid at the event. Nkunzi has confirmed that he knows of the incident but could not make it to the event because there was a shoot he had to attend to. He said he sent Kataza on his behalf. He said, "I sent Kataza to go on my behalf because I was busy on that day," says Nkunzi. Nkunzi denied all allegations leveled against him, saying that he won't speak to journalists. He also didn't bother to say when he will pay back the money due to the event organizer. A fuming Zukisa said he saw Nkunzi on a poster advertising the Eastern Cape Awards. That is when he decided to approach him for the event. He cancelled a week before the event on the 7th of December, saying that he has a very high big shoot on Uzalo, so he can't make it. I told him to refund us so that we can book other actors to come and cover his mess, and that's when he told me, "Akahlangane nalowo masimba. I am the one who must book other celebs to come to my events." This is really bad publicity, guys, for Nkunzi ukuthi ukhonile imali yama-artist ababemqashile and ogcine engezanga kuleyo event. This is really bad publicity. I hope he actually fixed this mess up. Thank you guys for watching this video. I am out till next time.